Morning traders, Andy Demi here. Hope you're well. Hope you had a lovely Monday. If you had the day off, it was really lovely weather in London, so enjoyed the sunshine, went for a nice run, spent some time with the family. So all in all, a very nice day. Okay, so back in the markets today, we're getting a little bit of movement today. We've had dollar selling off this morning, so looks interesting. Haven't taken anything yet. Was feeling a little bit groggy, I must say, this morning, so just kind of easing myself back in today and preparing for some trades. Okay, so that's one of the things actually you've got to be really careful of is, if you don't be in a rush to take a trade, but that's not what I want to speak about today. Today I want to speak about actually detaching yourself from the outcome of your trades. Now, I know that can be difficult to do, and let me explain what I'm talking about so that we're all on the same page. Essentially, when we take a trade, we always want to win. Of course we do. Okay, that's why we're taking the trade. We believe the trade's going to win and it's going to make us money. But as we know, there's no strategy that wins all the time. And so, it's a bit strange that we get upset if a trade doesn't work out, as if what have I done wrong? Well, you haven't necessarily done anything wrong. And this is where, going back to what I've spoken about in the past, having a defined process and defined rules is really, really important. Because if you have a system, a strategy that has fixed rules, okay, and I'm okay with you having a little bit of discretion, but generally fixed rules, so everything is kind of repeatable, well, then you can become a little bit more detached from the outcome. Because the way you want to look at your trading is that you are just doing your job. Okay, so you are basically following the rules and then placing the trades, and then the outcome is the outcome. And that's kind of where you want to get to. Okay, that's where you want to get to. And that's why it's really, really important that you develop the rules and you have a systematic way of trading outside of the actual trading. Okay, so you want to do it when the emotions are not there. And then once you're comfortable with those rules and you've tested them and you feel pretty good that it's a good system, then your job is just to do your job and just place those trades when they need to be placed, and then the result will be the result. Okay, and that's how you kind of move away from being emotionally attached. So sometimes when we're looking at trades and we're looking at your phone, you might be at work and you think, oh man, I'm up and I'm down, and I was up 1,000, now I'm only up 200, then it feels really bad. Well, what you've got to remember is that if you want to get the ultimate outcome, which is consistent profitability, consistent returns in trading, then your job is not to look at your phone and not to interfere with your trades, and then the outcome will be inevitable. Okay, because if probability is on your side, if you have an edge, all you need to do is just place your trade, and the next trade may lose. It's fine. The next trade may lose. It's fine. As long as you have an edge and you are doing correct risk management, you just keep placing your trades, and it doesn't matter, if the next trade wins or lose. The overall outcome will be a positive one eventually, and it's kind of almost testing you and your ability to be a trader, because that's what a trader does. Okay, they detach themselves from the outcome, and therefore they can then go and trade the way they need to be trading. And think about it. So many people can make money with a demo account. Why? Because they're detached. They're detached from the outcome, and that is the key. That is the key. So you want to become, as much as you can, detached from the outcome. And that's why I always say, look, if you've got a job and you've got money coming in, don't leave your job. That you need that money to be paying your bills, and therefore when you do trade live, it's going to be bonus money, and it's not going to be money that you need to pay your rent, and therefore you're going to have a much better chance of being detached from that outcome. Okay, so hope that helps, guys. Wishing you a great day, good trading. See you soon with an update. Take care. Bye bye.